So we keep hiking in the rain. You can see the Kilimanjaro is behind that fog. So we are on day 2. We are going to the Shira cave camp. Elevation of 3,800 meters. Right now, as we speak, you need a raincoat for sure, or rain suit might be much better, and then something that can protect your backpack with all the belongings, and then some snack that you want to eat. I'm hearing waterfall. Oh guys, this is gonna be a beauty. I know it's gonna be in rain. You are gonna actually be walking or hiking in the water stream. So you're crossing water stream right now, and you have to be like super duper careful, because did you see the guy in front of me? I don't know if you're able to see, but the guy in front of me is a guide for a different company, but he's actually helping his clients, showing them how to climb this whole thing. But guys, end of the day, you need to have superb hiking skills to do this kind of an activity. If you have fear of heights, you should probably listen to your guide, okay? Don't do it all by yourself. Just watch the guide. Okay. Oh, guys, look at here. Look at here. The water stream right here is beyond magical. Magical. Look at there. Bro, the red light is on. Do you see the red light? Okay, good. I just want to make sure the GoPro is active. Guys, I'm recording, but I'm watching my step. So this waterfall is no joke. You are not careful, you're gonna go all the way. Boom! So respect the nature. I'm just trying to tell you this. Always. Bro, do you want to take a picture for me? Sure. It's so beautiful! So beautiful and surreal. Thank you. Guys, look at here. The stream starts here. It goes all the way. And if you haven't seen my previous video, you can see how this waterfall goes from the very top to the bottom. It's a series of cascade waterfalls. So waterfall, maybe there's a higher one, much bigger one, but there's a waterfall right there, small one, a decent one, there's one more, and there's one more. Guys, super slippery, super slippery. Watch your step. Watch your step, guys. Watch your step. Watch your step. Make sure you listen to your guide. By all times, you don't want to slip. You don't want to ruin.
Okay, go there. I want to take a video.
Sure. Thank you, bro.